Hello everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. In this tutorial, I'll guide you on how to start a chat on the Microsoft Teams app. Let's get started. Start by opening the Microsoft Teams app on your device. Tap on the Start Chat icon at the top right. Here, search for the person by their email, name, or phone number. Tap on their profile. Tap on Next at the top right. You can start chatting now. Tap on the text box to type your message. Tap on the plus icon at the left side to send pictures from your gallery, or attaching file, or editing your text that you just typed. Just like so. You can tap on the camera icon at the right side to take a picture and send them, or tap on the mic icon to send a voice message. And that is how to start a chat on the Microsoft Teams mobile app. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.